WTC Weatherland. Here's Rob's forecast.
Welcome back. An active night across Acadiana, but things will be quieting down in the next few hours, but ongoing activity. So let's take a look at the big picture, put things in motion across the lower 48. And we can see this is part of a snowstorm that's up to the north, but a trailing frontal boundary and a little bit in the way of upper level dynamics, pushing showers and thunderstorms through the region. Fortunately, no tornado watches right now. There is a tornado warning for portions of Mississippi. No warnings in Acadiana, but we do have some strong storms pushing on through as we dial into all the Doppler radars locally and put that in motion. You'll see showers and storms, and you can see where there's some lightning going on, especially with this cell that's moving through Upper St. Martin Parish. Other additional cells stronger generally off to the north and east. And as we come in, take a close look at this activity right here in Upper St. Martin Parish, Southern Lafayette Parish, Northwestern Iberia Parish. Very heavy rainfall ongoing. Let's go ahead and do a little tracking here just to make sure that we don't have any storms producing rotation, but no, there's one storm indicating the possibility of hail. Not likely, just big raindrops, but we can get information on the direction of the system is moving in. It's moving at 21 miles per hour. Don't think we're going to see any hail with that cell, but nonetheless, let's zoom in, show you some locally heavy rainfall right around the Henderson area, just east of Breaux Bridge. Its rain is ending in Breaux Bridge. Locally heavy downpours toward Parks, and then down in St. Martinville, it's coming down very heavily here. You can see the strong gradient between rain and no rain, thus gusty winds gusting in the 40 to 45 mile per hour range in some of these heavier storms. So be on the lookout for that. Laurelville, you're starting to see rain and the winds picking up for sure. As we move it on over, just want to come in close to Youngsville, Broussard, some very heavy rainfall down through the Coteau area. This rain, if it were to sit over you, would produce about 5 or 6 inches of rain in an hour, but it's lasting about 10 or 15 minutes, the heaviest core of the rain. But an inch or two of rain coming in across many parts of the area, and you can see the rain continuing down through Erath, Delcombe, over toward Abbeville. It's almost over with, and then those showers go down, and some rumbles of thunder down along the coast between Forked Island, Intracoastal City, and down to near the Pecan Island area. So fortunately, things quieting down western portions of Acadiana. Rainfall, the system is put down anywhere from a little bit to a couple of inches of rain, kind of overachieving on the rainfall. Even in Lafayette Parish, we got a reading of about 3 inches. That's right by the Acadiana Mall area. Here's Ambassador Caffrey, and you have Johnston right here. So some pretty heavy rainfall there. Broussard about 1.5 inches. These are Doppler estimates, but 1 to 2 inches of rain in portions of Lafayette Parish. So pretty good soaking there. These storms, though, move on after midnight tonight and will clear St. Mary Parish about after 1 a.m. After that, we won't have to watch the radar. We'll go back to generally fair skies, temperatures in the 50s tomorrow morning. Mostly sunny conditions, but high clouds persisting. We'll see temperatures topping out upper 60s to perhaps lower 70s. So additional rain overnight tonight. Not much more. More as you go farther to the east, where you'll have that isolated 1 to 2 as you get over toward Baton Rouge, Morgan City, and points east. But then we have another weather system coming in Saturday, adding more moisture and more rain to the area. A couple of inches of rain with this system, maybe more than just a couple. And then there's going to be another weather system next Tuesday, another couple of inches, and maybe more than just a couple. And you can see a lot of orange here showing up, and that corresponds to better than 5 inches of rain. And this is just over the next week. So we'll watch this closely. And this rainfall tallies are just Saturday and Tuesday for the most part. Temperature-wise, we cool down in the wake of the storms by tomorrow morning. Low to mid 50s tomorrow, upper 60s, lower 70s. Tomorrow night, it's going to be a little bit cooler. Temperatures dip down into the 40s, and Friday, clouds coming back in, and temperatures hold for highs only in the upper 50s to lower 60s. So a touch of January back into the forecast. So 54 the low tonight. Showers and storms move out, and then we see clearing skies. You can see the clouds moving in from the west. Southwesterly winds turning westerly behind the storms. Then for tomorrow, should be the nicest day of the week. Some high clouds out there, a mostly sunny day, and temperatures reaching the lower 70s. Enjoy it, because there are no more 70s in the 10-day forecast after tomorrow. We'll see lower 60s Friday, upper 50s with rains on and off Saturday. Those rains end Sunday. Hopefully a little sun by Sunday afternoon, but no promises there. And then into next week, another wet weather maker and perhaps a stormy day next Tuesday. Temperatures stay cool through next weekend. That's it for weather for now. We're going to have more coming up right after the break.